welcome back to a very belated one of the January Target beauty boxes. If I remember right, this is the either clean up your routine or clean up your beauty Target box. There was this one and a normal one. I can tell just scent-wise, this one has to be the one with the cleaning stuff in it. I would be very surprised if I am wrong on that, but yes, I know it is April. We're just now doing January. Oh, this just speaks great things for how this year's going, don't it? But anyways, I do love that they're still going with the watercolor aesthetic on stuff. Very much appreciated. And on my birthday month, my 3 favorite colors are the colors in this. Yay! So anyways, let us go ahead and... Aha! I was right. Clean up your beauty routine. So I was kind of right on both. From ingredient-conscious formulas to recyclable packaging, there's no better time than now to give your beauty routine a clean start. Excuse me, I hiccuped. But with so many options to choose from, picking the right products can be trickier than it seems. Thankfully, we tried, tested, and found some of the better-for-you brands that work to make your complexion brighter, skin softer, and teeth whiter. And it has the usual try them out if you feel them, blah 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 spiel that they always have. On the back, we have our usual little blurbs about the different products. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 products in this one. So for $7, I mean, that's like less than $1 per product. So that's pretty good. So it's just white tissue paper this time, but that's okay. So first thing in here is another thing of the cotton rounds. Just 2 of them. This is, where does it say it? By the brand Up and Up, premium rounds, dual-sided design, made with 100% pure cotton, is strong, soft, and lint-free, making it perfect for all your skincare needs. They're literally just normal-ass cotton rounds, but I'll read you the thing on the back anyway. I have another one of these that was in a different beauty box from them. I just have these in a drawer on the off chance if I should ever run out of my things of cotton rounds. I have a few backups in these. So, Up and Up premium cotton rounds are made with 100% pure cotton. The dual-sided design and patented stitch-to-edge create a strong, soft, and lint-free cotton round for all your skincare needs. See, that to me is a bit unique because usually they have the rough edges, usually they leave lint, and that pisses me off. Depending how much these cost, I might be willing to buy some of them. Maybe. Use the soft embossed side for gentle cleansing and eye makeup removal. Use the smooth side for facial cleansing and removal of nail polish and other cosmetics. Gentle enough for all skin types, Up and Up premium cotton rounds provide an all-in-one skincare and makeup removal solution. So you can see the texturing of the smooth side back here, and then the textured side here. So I mean, I guess they are a little more than just basic cotton rounds, but like I said, depends what they cost. If they're reasonable, since usually I buy a thing of like 100, 200 cotton rounds for like $1 or $2. If they can beat that or meet that, I'd buy some of these. So there's those. Next thing in here. This I may not be able to use because freaking coconut again, but we've got Palmer's Coconut Oil Formula Body Lotion, Organic Extra Virgin Coconut Oil, and Tahitian Manoi provide 24-hour hydration, leaving skin soft, supple, and silky smooth. Let's see. What are our ingredients? Yeah, literally the second thing in there is coconut fruit extract. When that is a thing, I know can use. So, that sucks, because I'm sure it's really good, but I will regift that to somebody. So that's a thing. Next thing in here, please don't be coconut. Oh, thank God it's not. So I finally got one of the little native mini deodorants that is not a freaking coconut one. Holy shit, I seem to always end up with the coconut one that I can't use. So this, Native Natural Mini Charcoal. Try the aluminum and paraben-free deodorant with over 5,000 5-star reviews. Native deodorants are safe, simple, and effective. Long-lasting odor protection that goes on smooth and smells addictively good. Native Charcoal deodorant has a fresh mineral scent with citrus undertones and the power of charcoal. Does it go on black is my $1,000,000 question here. I'm like, if that leaves like, you know how most deodorant leaves like the white? I'm like, if this leaves black under there, I don't think I can hang with that, but I'll try this out anyway. I mean, if nothing else, I can use it at home, but I mean, I would not wear it anywhere in public if it leaves black under your arms, because what would people think? Like, really, though? Ooh. I'm pretty surprised at how big this is. This is, where is it? Love Home and Planet laundry detergent. Oh, we have laundry detergent? Lavender and argan oil. Hey, you know, I love me some lavender. Little goes long way for perfectly clean clothes. With our concentrated laundry detergent, it is made with plant-based cleansers and is so smart it detects the type of stain it encounters to cleanse effectively yet gently. Plus, it's vegan and cruelty-free, blended with ethically sourced Moroccan argan oils, extracts, and infused with the calming scent of French lavender. FYI, made with ingredients that come from renewable sources packaged in recyclable bottles. That is actually really freaking cool. Cannot wait to use that one. That's really exciting. What do we got here? This is one of two different Lumine things. Which one's which? Okay, so this does not look like there is much anything in it. I'm highly skeptical, but it is a Lumine Nordic Sea Arctic Berry Oil Cocktail. Replenishing blend of vitamins, omega fatty acids, and pure Arctic spring water perfectly hydrates skin, revealing a radiant, velvety complexion. If I knew how much it cost, maybe I would try like a full size of this, because I don't think you can really judge from something that tiny. How to shake before use. Dude, it's a freaking packet, dude. I mean, would you just, whatever, apply to face and neck before, or no, after cleansing, before face cream. So there's that. Let me answer this message real quick. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So, let us go ahead and look at what all else is in here. So let's do the other Lumine product in here. Let's see. This is the, wait. Okay, yeah, I've got the right one. The Lumine Nordic Sea Cleansing Balm. So it's just a little one, but I think I could at least get a better idea of what it does from this one than the other one. So, Arctic Cloudberry Seed Oil, Radiant Enhancing Nordic Sea Complex, and Vitamin C, instantly, lots of C, instantly energize and smooth skin for a brighter, younger looking complexion. Just judging by that packaging, I'm like, I know darn well this stuff is probably pricey between this and how skimpy they went on the other sample. Just saying. Just saying it. Oh my god, this is so tiny. This is the Mrs. Meyers Oat Blossom Hand Soap. Oh my god, are you serious? It's like, is this solid or is this... No, it's gotta be liquid, because I was like, there's no way that is like an itty-bitty sliver of a bar of soap. Special recipe of aloe vera gel, olive oil, and unique blend of essential oils creates a non-drying, softening cleanser for even the busiest of hands. That is so crazy that it is just that little for a thing of soap, but okay, whatever. Oh, what have we got here? So I thought this was going to be a face mask. I am slightly disappointed. This is a Uni Travel Shower Sheet Body Wipe. Oversized, super soft, moist body wipes made with natural purifying neem, whatever neem is, peppermint, and citrus. Smell delicious and instantly cleanse, so you'll feel fresh and so clean anytime, anywhere. I need to Google what this thing looks like. I need to know what is in there. So that is weird as hell. Also the fact that they sell these individually for $1.50, or you can buy 12 of them for, it won't show me the price unless I put them in the cart. So strange, but more strange. The full-size bottle of this stuff, of which I just complained about how chintzy they went on this, is only $3.99. They totally could have given us a better sample of that, guys. I'm just saying. I feel gypped. But, while the stuff here, the full sizes are spendy, they're not as spendy as I thought. One's like 15, the other's like 25. So I'm like, those are still in the realm of doable, at least if I wanted to like really see if these actually work. So I mean, I'm not quite sure what this one specifically is exactly, but maybe if I read more about it, maybe I would feel more inclined. But this one, I don't know. Maybe. Maybe. Anywho. Finally, the last thing in here that at least I know I can definitely use is a toothpaste sample. Whoops. Well, didn't mean to open it, but apparently that's how the cookie crumbles. So, it's pretty standard for a toothpaste sample tube. Can't complain. It's toothpaste. It's Burt's Bees. What more do you want? Burt's Bees fluoride-free, purely white Zen peppermint toothpaste. Fluoride-free toothpaste removes surface stains, while Zen peppermint leaves breath feeling fresh and clean. Hello, gorgeous smile. Psst. Whitens teeth made without peroxide. And then it has a little asterisk after whitens teeth. By removing surface stains. As opposed to what? I don't know, guys. I don't know, but it still seems like a pretty decent box for $7, so I can't complain too hard here. So, anyways, that's it for this one. So, as usual, you guys know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you like me, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, bye-bye.